Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Noraini binti Muhammad Fauzi. My metric number 1182102. In this video, I will explain about the application of CAN Slim in Selangor Dredging Berhad Company. First, let us look the introduction. Selangor Dredging Berhad is began in 1962 when Mr. Teh Kainto incorporated Selangor Dredging Berhad. In 1964, the company changed its name to Selangor Dredging Berhad upon listing on the main board of the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange. The chairman of this company is Mr. Eddie Ching Ing Huong. The company involved in a variety of businesses including hardware manufacturing and retail tire rim production. Current earnings, according to William J. O'Neill, also suggest an accompanying sales growth of at least 25%. The current quarter's earnings should be up 25% from the same quarter of the previous year. The table above shows the quarter report history for the company. We can see in 31 May 2021, SDRED recorded a loss of Rm 7,412. The total revenue of SDRED for the last quarter in 31 May 2021 is Rm 19.151 million, and it is 69.27% lower compared to the previous quarter. Besides, the company's earning per share does not show any growth. Their EPS recorded a negative result on the second quarter of 2021 compared to the previous quarter. From this, we can say that there is decrease in percentage of EPS and hence does not show any growth. Next, annual earnings. William J. O'Neill again suggests that annual growth rate in earnings per share of at least 25%. If we look back at the last 6 years, Selangor Dredging Berhad recorded the highest revenue growth in March 2015 at Rm 401.3 million over the last 5 years. They recorded a slight increase in 2019 and reached its lowest in 2021 at Rm 144.2 million. Other than that, their profit margin increased and then recorded a decrease until year 2021. Although in year 2019 they recorded a slight increase in their revenue of Rm 256.1 million, the profit margins are still declining. From the analysis, we can conclude that the company did not make any growth. Now we move to the next element of CAN Slim, which is N for new product or new management or news. In recent news on 4 May 2021, Selangor Dredging Berhad reaps benefits of iron ore venture. Shares in Singapore Catalyst Market listed Fortress Minerals Limited that Selangor Dredging Berhad has a 31% stake hit a hike of $0.44, which is a gain of more than 110% since December last year. Selangor Dredging Berhad's net asset per share as at end of December last year was 1 ringgit and 69 cents, or more than 3.5 times its share price. Besides, in that time there are strong demand for iron ore. Other than that, the news on October 2020, Selangor Dredging Berhad is to launch 2 projects worth 906 million, a project in Singapore which has an estimated gross development value of 455.62 million, and condo villas in Serdang, Selangor, with an estimated GDV of 450 million. That is considered as a good news because it will attract investors. Next is supply and demand. According to William J. O'Neill, he recommends us to buy stocks of whose average daily trading volume is higher than the average of last 3 months. As we can see, the trading volume recorded in table 1 is 5,000, while the average trading volume as recorded in table 2 is 780,000 and 500. If we can compare to SDRED, their daily trading volume is lower than the average volume. From here, we can conclude that there is less demand for this share. Now we move to leader or laggard. Table 1 above shows that Sunway Company at the top with a market capitalization of 8.140 billion. This makes Sunway a major industry player in the property sector, and the company acts as a leader in the industry. As shown in table 2, Dred is in 52nd place, and from here we can clearly know that this company is a laggard in the industry. Based on the figure, it shows the comparison of stock movement between Sunway and Dred Company. In March 2021, the Sunway stock price increased significantly from 1 ringgit 50 cent to 1 ringgit 70 cent. Compared to Dred, the price recorded by the company is much different than Sunway. It clearly can be seen that Dred stocks is underperformed as compared to its relative benchmark. Besides, the company recorded a continuous decline in their profit margin since 2018. As we know, the decline in profit margins also contributed to the decline in stock prices. Because of that, market capitalization recorded is much lower compared to Sunway. Hence, we can conclude that Dred is a laggard in the industry. Next, institutional investors are important in the company as they have more expertise and resources than retail investors. Table 1 above shows the transaction made by several investors, while Figure 1 shows the top 10 investors of SDRED. As we can see, Ms. Teh Lip Kim made an acquisition on March 2020 and she is the biggest shareholder in SDRED with 61.21 million value of shares. She is also a managing director of Selangor Dredging Berhad. Besides, if we look on Table 1, the latest insider, Mr. Loong Ching Hong, recently made several acquisitions towards SDRED's shares. Mr. Loong Ching Hong is a group general manager in Selangor Dredging Berhad, although they do not have institutional investors showed in their recent transaction, they still have sufficient strong entities. The table above shows the summary of DRED. What we can focus is the adjusted float of 41% means that 41% of shares was owned by retail investors. The rest 59.9% means that the shares are owned by institutional investors and insiders or shark. Because of Ms. Teh Lip Kim is one of the largest shareholders and buy the shares, it is possible and makes sense that the adjusted float is lower. In the case of DRED, we can consider the percentage of 59.9% is quite high. Now we move to the last element of CanSlim, market direction. To be able to schedule our stock purchase correctly, we must first understand the broader and overall market direction. As we can see on the chart above, it shows the stock trend is declining. This is when the market conditions start to bearish and are in downtrending. The risk ratio becomes greater than the return and consequently the failure rate is also higher. However, if we look to short-term analysis in month May 2021, there are slight increase in DRED's trend stocks. There is considered as a good result, but if we look the trend for a long term, the market is in downtrending. In conclusion, proper stock selection can be done using the CanSlim method founded by William J. O'Neill. Stock selection using the CanSlim method is a quick way to find potential stocks before institutional investors invest in those stocks. To be a good investor, we need to have a good understanding of the stock business we are involved in and the company we want to invest in. That's all from me. Thank you.